Here we are at the entrance to 160 Hyde Park Ave, unit number 1. The tenants are mostly moved out. You have an entry alcove that has a coat closet. And off of the entryway, you have the master bedroom. The master bedroom has lots of windows and its own full bath ensuite. Okay. And a nice spacious closet. It goes all the way up. You have a long hallway. This door I showed in a previous video leads down to the private washer dryer in the basement, not going up. Beautiful wood floors. Here's bathroom number 2. Okay. And then off of that hallway is the next bedroom. And you have, of course, the living room area. Smart thermometer. For if you like wine, that's put in wine storage. And here's the kitchen. 5 burner gas range. Is that 5 or 6? Microwave, here we go, disposal, dishwasher, refrigerator, there we go. All you've got to see also is the backyard, which is my favorite. You'd never know you're in the middle of the city. You could definitely get your entertaining on and have some fabulous parties out here. There we go. That's it for 160 Hyde Park Ave. 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo for rent in Jamaica Plain, 2 blocks away from the Forest Hills T Station. Please contact me if you have any questions.